Look at the sun. I'm out in the very front of my yard, and I just realized I can get this from this angle, and I really don't have to go anywhere. Isn't that neat? This is the eastern sky. If I look at it with my naked eye, it is a whitish beige. But in the camera, this is the true colors that it is. Isn't that amazing? It really is. Here's the rest of the sky. That's what it looks like. Look. When you get down to there, that's what it looks like. But if you zoom up on it, this is what you get. So again, this is the rest of the sky. Like this. This is what it looks like. And then we'll get to the sun, and we'll zoom up on it again, and this is what we've got. Quite spectacular, if you ask me. It really is.